Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Every woman dreams of knowing this secret, how to lose weight without making any effort. Quarantine and the cold season have already left their mark on the figure. Every woman dreams of regaining her former shape, but often she does not have the opportunity for this, or simply that lack of desire to put a lot of effort. If you hate measuring diets and spend enough time in the gym, then the following tips are for you. Drink water 15 minutes before meals. Just one glass will be enough. This is unlikely to help you reduce your appetite, but it will definitely improve digestion. The better this process proceeds, the more nutrients can be absorbed in your body. As a result, you will feel full longer. In addition, the more warm water you drink, the lower the percentage of fat in your body will become. Consume sweets before 2 p.m. This leaves you plenty of time to burn those extra calories and prevent them from being absorbed as fat. Try to fall asleep before 12 o'clock and wake up before 8 o'clock. Each organism acts at a certain biorhythm. If sleep is adjusted correctly, then the body will have better rest and less stress. If the body does not suffer from stress due to late sleep, then all processes will proceed correctly and fats will go away faster. Believe that you can lose weight. Do not even let the thought that you will not be able to lose those extra pounds. No genetics or other obstacles can stop you. This is due to psychosomatics. If we believe in something, the chance that it will be so increases dramatically. Try to adhere to these rules every day and then you will definitely notice the result. If you want to speed up this process even more, then take the time to count calories and contact a specialist. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.